Looking for a delicious recipe that takes less than 20 minutes? We've got you covered. The zingy and aromatic tomato and ricotta rigatoni is made with a no-cook pasta sauce, meaning you can serve up an Italian masterpiece in no time at all. As any Italian will tell you, the key to the perfect pasta sauce starts with quality-based ingredients. So, grab the star of the show, your Napolina chopped tomatoes, and add to a large bowl to create your flavorful foundation. Add in the garlic, oregano, chilli flakes, lemon zest, ricotta salata, Napolina olive oil, fresh basil, and salt and pepper to taste, and combine together to create the rich and zesty sauce. Next, add the hot-cooked Napolina rigatoni into the bowl and watch the magic happen, as the heat from the pasta will warm the sauce as you gently stir it through. Then plate up and serve with some extra ricotta salata and fresh basil. And enjoy your new go-to quick and easy Italian recipe. Buon appetito!